Do you have a kid, a brother, a sister, or do you even know a child between the ages of 5 to 13 years with little or no access to interactive learning? Worry no more. Kids at Home School project is here for you. Starting this Friday, October 2nd, we will be organizing free online interactive session for the kids. Yes, it's totally free. These classes will be available on Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube. Some activities include Taekwondo lessons, coding for kids, creative arts, creative writing, genius experiments, and many more. Trust me, it's going to be fun and you will not want to